to recover Snapchat streaks. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can recover Snapchat streaks. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. So guys, if you have lost your Snapchat streak, there are the few ways to recover them, and use the streak restore feature. Snapchat is testing a new feature called streak restore that allows users to restore one lost streak for the free with just one tap. So if you recently lost your Snapchat streak, you can restore it with the chat feed. So if the feature is available to you, you will be see the restore option beside your friend's name along with the details of the expired streaks. So however, Snapchatters can only restore one streak for free using the streaks. So restore features and users only get to restore one streak irrespective of the how many friends they have. So after that they would be have to pay different fee for each they feel like to reveal. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.